Hello everyone. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to install the correct Bluetooth driver for your Windows 10, 11, 7 and 8. So I'm using here the Windows 10 and this one is my Windows 11 machine. So I will show you what are the differences and which you need to check the correct driver for your Windows. Okay. So if I talk about the Windows 11 guys, so if I open the device manager, so there could be the different driver for it. As you can see here, the manufacturer name is different, and if I go to Windows 10 and simply open the device manager here, so there could be the different driver. As you can see here, Intel wireless. So if you have the Intel wireless driver on your system, if you are able to see it, okay. If you are not able to see it, you can click on view and then click on show hidden devices. Make sure you click on your host name and then view and show hidden devices. So once you have identified that which is the correct driver for your Windows, so in this system guys, I need to install the Intel one, and in this system I need to install this Qualcomm driver for Bluetooth working. Okay, so let's start with the Intel one first. I will show you also another way to find out if you are not able to see your Bluetooth driver here and you are not sure that what is the correct driver for your Windows. So I will show you also that in the last step. So let's start with the Intel one. If you are using the Intel, so simply open any browser which you use, and in here simply type here Intel Bluetooth driver for Windows 10. Okay, and you will be able to install the Windows 10 and 11 driver as well here. As you can see, Windows 10 and 11 64-bit. Just hit the download option and just click on this option, accept terms and conditions. Okay, and simply install it. So let me install it. Also you can similarly look for Intel Bluetooth for Windows 8. So this is the correct way to install any driver for any manufacturer, 32-bit, 64-bit. Choose accordingly. If you are not sure what is the 64-bit or 32-bit you have, so open the system information guys. Okay, and you need to look for this option which says system type 64-bit base PC. It means that you have the 64-bit operating system and you can install it accordingly. Choose that and install it. Similarly you can look for Windows 7 as well, as I have promised in this video. So step will be same for the installation guys. Okay, it has installed now. Just click on run option. Okay, you can also go to the download section here, then simply double click on it and it will be installed. Let me double click on it from here. And hit yes option when the prompt opens. Now once you hit yes options when the prompt opens, it will start loading and it will start downloading. As you can see, yes, I want to upgrade it. Next, I have already the Intel one, so that's why it is next, accept, next, and in here choose the complete one. All program feature will be installed, require the most disk space. So no worry, there is no more disk, but according to typical and custom it will take some more space, but we are good to go with this and then install it. So this is installing the Intel wireless driver, and this will fit for the system as it has already the Intel wireless driver. If you don't have this driver guys, most of the systems should work this driver. If you don't know what is the correct driver for your Windows, so we can also get it with the serial number. So let me show you here. If I talk about this driver, this will not be, we are not able to exactly find out this. So in this case guys, we need to have the system information knowledge. Simply open the CMD. Basically we need to get the serial number here. So if I talk about HP driver, so let me show you how to get the serial number, and it should be listed on your system as well as on your desktops. Okay, as you can see here, reject all. Okay, this will look like this serial number, and this you can see here the example of just. So we will get this serial number with the command prompt. Just type here WMIC space BIOS space get space serial number together, serial number, and hit enter. So once you hit enter, you will get the serial number. Just select it and Control C. Okay, I'm using here the Dell laptop guys, so I need to accordingly go to the Dell driver. So I have shown you just example so that you can install the correct driver. This is my Dell laptop and this is my HP laptop. So both manufacturer are different, but so we have copied that and just search it. Okay, it will go to the driver sections. Just expand that, and once you expand that guys, you will see here the Bluetooth driver. Let me show you here. As you can see here, Qualcomm Bluetooth Wi-Fi driver, the same driver is here as you can see. So simply you can install the correct driver as well as the 4A. As you can see, same driver we are getting here. So it means that we are going to install the correct driver for your Windows. So this is the exact way to install the any driver. Okay, and correct manufacturer. Basically you need to look for the your motherboard number. What is the manufacturer of your motherboard? Baseboard manufacturer is Dell. So this is the information, as well as you can look for serial number here, and the model number and serial number we have already got that. The BIOS is UEFI, that doesn't matter, but baseboard, this one is important, and system model number and serial number. So once you gather all the information guys, you should able to install the correct driver for your Windows. Okay, similarly you can look for Realtek also. There is Realtek Bluetooth driver for Windows 10. You can see it is going to so this is how guys, somehow you need to go to the your system manufacturer as well as the motherboard manufacturer website and install the correct driver for your Windows. So hope this video is informational for you guys and helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you, thanks for watching, and also if you like this video, so you can join the membership. I will upload an exclusive video for you. So thank you.